Hello friends, in today's video we're gonna talk about the new updates in Pharos Testnet Airdrop. We will teach you how to complete the new tasks step by step. And to be honest, the new updates are a little bit complicated, so make sure to watch the video till the end and follow me step by step to avoid any kind of problems. Now, let's get started. First, you need to log into your account. And for those who have not joined Pharos Airdrop yet, I will leave the link down below in the description box. So copy that link and paste it into your browser. And you will land on this page. Then click on Connect Wallet on the top right corner. They will show you a list of wallets that you can use. And at this point, unfortunately, people think they need to connect the BitGet wallet, but that's not correct. You need to connect the same wallet that you used before in the first season. In my case, I'm using MetaMask. So let me connect my wallet. Then you will land on the dashboard, and as you see, it's a little bit different. They have added level 5, so make sure to complete as many tasks as you can to reach to that level if you want to be eligible for the Pharos Airdrop. Now if we keep scrolling, as you see, they have added some new tasks like send tokens via social media account, real world asset finance, stake, Bitcoin bridge, and CFD trading. In this video, I'm gonna show you only how to complete the new tasks. But for those who want to learn how to complete the other tasks, we have another video in our YouTube channel, so you can check that video. Link will be down below in the description box. Now, let's start with the first task, send token via social media account. You will be redirected to this website. And first, you need to connect your wallet. So click on Connect on the top right corner. Then choose the same wallet that you used before with Pharos Airdrop. They will show you this message, so click on Connect. Next, you will land on this page again, and in the first box you need to specify the amount of tokens that you want to send. Try always to send small amounts. And in the second box, if we click on this icon, they will show you this message. And as you see, you can send tokens using your X account, TikTok, Google account, and Rednote. You can choose whatever you want, but in this video, I'm gonna show you how to send tokens using your X account. So in the second box, type in the username of your X account. Then click on Send Now. They will show you this message, so click on Confirm. Now let me show you how to complete the next task, Real World Asset Finance. So click on Deposit button on the right side. You will be redirected to this website. And first, you need to connect your wallet. So click on Connect on the top right corner. And choose the same wallet that you used before. In my case, I'm using MetaMask. They will show you this message, so click on Connect. Then they will show you another message, so click on Confirm. Now you will land on this page. Just scroll down a little bit and click on Let's Dive In. Next, you will be redirected to this page. And as you see, we have two sections, US Treasury and Growth Corporate Bond. You can choose whatever you want, but I'm gonna choose the first one. So click on Split. They will show you this message, so click on Confirm. You will land on this page. So just scroll down a little bit and click on Activate Shield. Then keep scrolling and click on Craft My First Combo. Then scroll down a little bit and click on Craft Strategy. They will show you this message, so click on Confirm and Craft. Then they will show you another message, so click on Confirm. And now click on Claim Your Rewards. You will be redirected to this page. Just scroll down a little bit and click on Check Token Balance. And when you are done, click on Claim NFT. They will show you this message, so click on Confirm. And congratulations, the journey is completed. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notifications bell so you can get notified every time we upload new video. Also, you can join our channel in Telegram where we publish the latest airdrop news. Link will be down below in the description box. Now let me show you how to complete the next task, stake. You will be redirected to this website, so click on Connect Wallet and choose the same wallet that we used before. They will show you this message, so click on Connect. Then they will show you another message, so click on Confirm. And finally, they will show you this message, so check this box on the left side and click on Enter. Then click on Claim. They will show you this message, so click on Confirm. Now you will land on this page. Just scroll down a little bit and click on AI button on the right side. Then keep scrolling and click on Apply. They will show you this message, so click on Confirm. Then they will show you another message, so click again on Confirm. Well done. We have completed this task. And now let me show you how to complete the Bitcoin Bridge task. So click on Bridge button on the right side, and then you will land on this website. But before we start, to make the process a little bit easier, click on those three dots in the top right corner and turn on the desktop site mode. Next, we need to connect our wallets, so zoom in a little bit and click on Connect Wallet in the top right corner. They will show you this message, and as you see, we need to connect two different wallets. The first wallet is the same wallet that we used before with Pharos Testnet project, and for the second wallet you can choose whatever wallet that you want. Now let me show you how to connect those wallets. So click on Connect EVM, then choose the same wallet that we used before. In my case it's MetaMask. They will show you this message, so click on Connect. Then they will show you another message to add Holsky network to your wallet, so click on Approve. And finally, they will show you this message, so click on Confirm. Now let's connect the second wallet, so zoom in a little bit and click on this Ethereum icon. You can choose any one of those wallets, but in my case I'm gonna choose OKX. They will show you this message, so click on Connect. Next, we need to visit this website to claim Bitcoin Testnet tokens. I will leave the link for this website down below in the description box. And then open the second wallet that you choose. In my case, it's OKX wallet. And you will land on the home page. Then click on this icon on the top right corner. Then scroll down a little bit and choose one of these two networks, Bitcoin Testnet or Bitcoin Signet. You can choose any one of those two networks, but in my case I'm gonna choose Bitcoin Signet. So click on it, then click on receive, and finally click on copy button on the right side and make sure the address is starting with TP. Then go back to this website and paste your wallet address inside the first box, and in the second box type in any amount that you want, and in the last box solve this CAPTCHA, and when you are done click on send. Now let's go back to OKX wallet, and as you see, I have successfully received those amounts. It could take some time before you can receive them, so you need to be patient. Now let's go back to here, and if we zoom in a little bit, on the left side you can choose from Signet Bitcoin Testnet, and in the second box choose Pharos Testnet. Then click anywhere inside this box. They will show you this wallet address, so click on it. Now let's move on to the right side, and inside this box type any amount that you want, and try always to use small amounts. And when you finish, click on deposit. They will show you this message, so make sure to choose fast on the right side. Then click again on deposit. They will show you this message, so click on confirm. Now all what you can do is just waiting. It could take up to 30 minutes to complete this transaction. And also if the first transaction failed, you can repeat the same process again as I showed you before until you successfully complete it. Now if we go back to the dashboard, I will not explain how to complete the CFD trading because it's very complicated and it requires a lot of time. But in your case, you need to complete as many tasks as you can very fast to earn more points. So if I were in your position, I would try to focus on swap, provide liquidity, and send token to friends, especially using the on-chain address. You can complete the other tasks if you want, but those that I have mentioned are the fastest. Okay? Alright guys, that's all what you need to know about the new updates in Pharos Airdrop. Again, try to complete as many tasks as you can every day until you reach to level 5. And by the end of this video, I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notifications bell so you can get notified every time we upload new video. Also, you can join our channel in Telegram where we publish the latest airdrop news. See you soon guys. Good luck.